everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Lee, and today we're going to be making some really easy, really simple avocado tacos. So let's jump right into it. Handful of diced tomatoes ready to go, a handful of lettuce I found in the fridge, a handful of cheese of your choice, and we're going to work with the avocados, onions, and seasonings right now in the pan. Now that our meat is completely done, we can move on to the next phase and cut these avocados up. Let's change this whole vibe up real quick. Inserting my knife into the avocado and just letting the avocado or the knife guide me through until the avocado completely snaps. And then you just want to twist it and pull it away, and you want to do the same for your other avocados. My avocados are not ripe at all, so it's kind of difficult to take these out. But really, the easiest way and helpful way to get a seed out of avocado is using a knife. You want to snap the knife inside of the seed and twist and pull it from each end. And there you have it. Easy, delicious, avocado lovers, keto friendly, easy, 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 easy. So let's plate these things. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me cook next. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And see you next time. Thank you for watching. And the lady there eating, that's me, Chef Lee. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe.